honorable member of the University, Professor of Development, Sri Dr. Sujata, Sri Hadisuya, Sri Panamadi, Sri Pras, Vaishnav, Sujata. So, my esteemed alumni members who are actually getting the flag of TKMC here. Good afternoon, Monalo. So it's a nice ambience, beautifully arranged. So first of all, let me appreciate the organization for all the hard work that they have done for this moment. An alumni club is being inaugurated in Nehru. It's the first time. So thank you. And let me congratulate all those who are behind this scene for making this function a successful. I am really privileged to stand before you and attend this function to inaugurate the Sydney Alumni Circle. So as the head of the institution, before moving further, let me give an update of what is happening there at TKMC. I think you may be aware of the developments there. So in 2022, we have been granted academic autonomy. So we are now an autonomous institution, government-aided autonomous institution. So we have been given this academic freedom. So we have the freedom to frame the curriculum, syllabus, conduct examination and law. From 2023 onwards, we have started a new curriculum. So we believe that this curriculum will enable our students to face the field confidently. So we are into the autonomy track right now. So that offers considerable freedom to us. At the same time, we are facing some challenges as well. Now, as you are aware, there are some 140 plus engineering colleges affiliated to APL Technology University. We are affiliated to APL Technology University. There are 140 plus engineering colleges. Some of the colleges are getting autonomous status right now. So there is tough competition. So to be at the top, we require tremendous effort. So first of all, let me request all the alumni members, your wholehearted support to keep our position high. So that is very much required. Then, so considerable transformation you can see when you come back, when you come to Kerala, you please visit our college, you can see considerable transformation. So a lot of infrastructure development. Then the batch strength is not 45. When you are a student, it was 45 in class, now it is almost double, from 75 to 71 class. The total student count is 4,200. And there are 8 PG programs and 11 PG programs. And today another good news to share with you is the government has sanctioned 2 more programs. One is BTech, Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, and another one is MTech, Electrical Technology. So the institution is growing with your support. Now here, you can play a crucial role in supporting our institute. So this Alumni Association chapter will be a platform for all people to see how get-together they can be, to cherish your memories. More than that, you can have meaningful interactions here to support our students. See, our students have some expectations, aspirations, and you people here you have plenty of experience and wisdom. So there can be a link between the wisdom or experience that you have and the aspirations and expectations of our students. So this platform can be utilized for that. And we have given a nice presentation to some of the things that they have listed. I'm very happy to know those things. So it will be a launching part of our students. For those who aspire to be here, those who wish to pursue their higher studies or career in Australia, this chapter can play a crucial role. So once again, we express our happiness for coming over here. So thank you for the invitation given to us and for the nice hospitality by my batchmate, Sujata, then all others. So we have been receiving very nice hospitality from the moment we landed here. So thank you all once again, thank you. So please keep meeting frequently. So let us together move forward so that our students as well as our institution will be placed in the top. Okay, so thank you all. So have a nice day.